What are you doing? At Benihana's. Once again. Ooh, there's 2 volcanoes. Stop squishing. Oh, it's a train. I'm glad I got that on film. So, lady. Hi. You happy going to Warped Tour together? I'm so sick.
I love garlic. There's garlic in this.
You're truly an Italian.
Wait.
Oh, dying at the moment. Oh, wait, look. Volcano! Like a schizo had enough epileptic. Anyway, we're here. Wait, what was it? We're here. Okay. Right now we are waiting for our food to be cooked. I may devour my chicken fried rice. And, I totally forgot what I wanted to say, but, I totally forgot what I wanted to say. My birthday's in a few weeks, and I turn 25.
In a few weeks, it's in like a month.
6 weeks.
It's a little over a month.
It's 6 weeks, 6-7 weeks, give or take.
Which happens to be over a month.
And I'm just waiting for the arrival of me turning 25. I will be the oldest motherfucker here. Oh wait, wrong people.
What do you mean here?
I don't know, I want to be random.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And yet another green tea. Why? Because I can. There's my phone and the case for the camera. Look at the chicken, so good. Thank you again. Alright. I'm gonna go.
Look, it says salt.
What happened?
It says salt.
What says what?
It says salt. Look, the thing says...
Oh, it does say it. Can't see it. Alright, I'm gonna go. Say goodbye.
Bye.